Μας έμαθαν να φοβόμαστε το σκοτάδι, ακόμα και τη σκιά μας, να κρατάμε σφιχτά κάτι στο χέρι για να προστατευτούμε. Και αυτό για πάντα. Έτσι είναι ακόμα. Έτσι είναι όλα.
Μοιάζει ο άδειος δρόμος μες στη νύχτα σαν δωμάτιο παιδικό μου, όταν δίχως φώτα η καρδιά σφιγγόταν κι όλο και φοβόμουν. Close your eyes, girl, take a deep breath, clench your fist, be ready. All those monsters you were scared of are still alive today. It's like that sometimes when everything changes, but they say to its core. Once it was the monster, now it's every shadow that follows me on the road. It's forbidden to look back, don't show me, make you nervous, just pretend everything's fine. You just have to stay unbothered till you feel them breathing right behind you. They came out from under my bed, tell me what I feel like I pray. Every time I walk alone at night, holding tight my keys as if that could protect me. It's like we did when we were little, when our dolls and teddy bears in bed, holding on to them to feel safe around the monster. Are they still under my bed, or just came right out of hell? All I know is that there should be another way. Panic's taking over now, tell my sisters to burn down this town.